Hello dear students, in this video I'm going to explain chapter 2 lesson 7 solving quadratic equation by completing the square, page 76. Before I start to explain, we have two important notes. The first one, if you have x power 2 inside the square root, you know the square root and power 2, they cancel each other, x remain. The second one, when you have negative inside the square root sign is equals to, can I solve it? No, it has no solution. Pay attention about the notes. Okay, example 1, it's case 1. It's talking about using square roots to solve x power 2 equals to a. As you can see, here we don't have anything next to x power 2, so it's alone. Immediately start to solve it. How? By taking the square root for each side. As I told you, power 2 and square root, they cancel each other, x remain. X equals to the square root of 16, it's positive, negative 4. Okay, example 2. Now we have 4x power 2 minus 25 equals to 0. As you can see, we have 4 before x power 2. How to get rid of 4? But pay attention. Before this step, you have to move 25 to the other side. So we will say 4x power 2 is equals to, it's negative, it will be positive. Now, how to get rid of 4? Divide by 4, divide by 4. 4 and 4, they cancel each other. X power 2 remain equals to 25 out of 4. Okay, take the square root. Power 2 and square root, they cancel each other. X equals to positive, negative. The square root of 25 is what? It's 5. 4 is what? It's 2. So it's positive, negative 5 out of 2. Here we have a very important note. The equation x power 2 plus a equals to 0, it has no solution. How? For example, we will say x power 2 plus 4 equals to 0. When you move 4 to the other side, it's negative. It's positive. It will be negative. And when you take the square root for each side, as I told you, negative inside the square root has no solution. It's unreal. Okay, the second case, or let's say the third case, is about completing the square x power 2 plus bx equals to c. To complete the square x power 2 plus bx equals to c, divide by the coefficient of x, okay, by 2. Coefficient of x, for example, 3x. What's the coefficient of x? 3. Okay, divided by 2, then power 2. Always. For example, here we have x power 2 plus 8x equals to 9. What's the coefficient of x? It's 8. 8 divided by 2, power 2. Okay, 8 divided by 2, 4. 4 power 2 equals to 16. We need this note. Now let's solve an example. For example, we have x power 2 plus 8x equals to 9. As I told you, what's the coefficient of x? It's the first step. How to solve it? Equals to 8. Okay, 8 by using the notes. 8 divided by 2, power 2 equals to 8 divided by 2, 4. 4 power 2 equals to 16. Now I'm gonna add the 16, okay, for each side of the equation, for here and here. We will say x power 2 plus 8x plus 16 equals to 9 plus 16. Okay, now what's this? It consists of 3 terms. The first one and the last one are perfect square and positive. The middle term, it comes from 2 times the square root of first one times the third one. So it's perfect square trinomial. How you can factorize it? X power to turn it back to x. Positive, positive, it will be positive again. 16 turn it back to what? To 4 power 2 is equals to 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. Okay, now take the square root for each side. Again, power 2 and square root, they cancel each other. X plus 4 equals to negative positive 5. Why? Because the square root of 25 is 5. Now we have two simple equations. We will say x plus 4 equals to 5 or x plus 4 equals to negative 5. X equals to move 4 to the other side, it will be 5 minus 4, or again move 4 to the other side, x equals to negative 5 minus 4. Now x equals to 5 minus 4, 1, or x equals to same sign as them with negative, okay, is equals to negative 9. Pay attention, if you have anything before x power 2, you have to remove it. Please take care. Example 6, okay? Example 6, we have x power 2 minus 2x minus 2 equals to 0. You have to move 2 to the other side. It will be x power 2 minus 2x equals to 2. Now, what's the coefficient of x? It's 2. 2 divided by 2 power 2, which is equals to 1 power 2, and it's equals to 1. Okay, now add 1 for each side of the equation for here. It will be x power 2 minus 2x plus 1 equals to 2 plus 1. Again, this is what? Perfect square trinomial. How you can factorize it? It will be x minus 1 power 2 is equals to 3. Okay, take the square root and radical sign, they cancelled each other. X minus 1 equals to positive negative 3. Okay, the square root of 3. It's a non-perfect square. So we will say x minus 1 equals to 3, or x minus 1 equals to negative the square root of 3. Move 1 to the other side, it will be the square root of 3 plus 1, or x equals to negative the square root of 3 minus 1. Thank you for watching.